So I'm really excited to unbox again this model. It's called Loco Motorin, and I found it on the Larama here in Canada. And it's a really fun model, don't you think? So let's check it out. It's Loco Motorin from X-Raycers series, and it's a track car. Yeah, let's see. Oh wow, that's definitely a tall model. I think, hold on. So I think it's the same height as Aeropod. Little bit, hold on, a little bit smaller, but let's see. I really love the details. Check it out. That's so beautiful. It's supposed to be like a locomotive. I don't know, train. I have no idea what's inside. This part over here is so smooth. And by the way, this one was based on the what's it called? The Chuggington, the Thomas. I don't know, the Thomas train, and a lot of collectors went crazy about it. This is the normal model. Let's see the base. This is a metal base and plastic body, which will make it really good on tracks. Also, we got the loop symbol, as it's supposed to be a track car. But hey, we need to make an HW track ride and test if whether it can be done or not. I mean, if it's really a track car or not. I like these wheels. Check it out. They're beautiful. It's called open hole wheels, or OH5. Oh, and by the way, there's a hooker over here. I don't know what's supposed to hook up, but there's really not something I can hook it up with or two. Beautiful. I thought it was a good model to add on my collection as well. I really love it. Fortunately, there is no open feature, but yeah, that was a quick review. So enjoy, and make sure to be part of the Road Beast Place by subscribing to the channel. Leave a big thumbs up so that it could be promoted so that other people can see it. And sorry about that. Take care, and bye bye.